All right, so I too love coffee, and previously I talked about somebody who, might be drinking 12 cups of coffee a day and sleeping an hour a night. That 12 cups of coffee might have something to do with the hour of sleep at night, but some people might ask, what's wrong with that? What's wrong with 12 cups of coffee a day? And the thing is that I always ask people, is it something that you feel like you want, that you enjoy, or something that you feel like you need? And if somebody's drinking 12 cups of coffee a day, it's usually because they need it. And I have had people who have reported they drink 12 cups of coffee a day. So I do appreciate when people are forthright about their habits, and really they're coming to me for help. So I will disclose all areas that are hindering them from improving, and even if it's those things that they know and love. And I'm not here to take something away from somebody, but okay, how can we both support you in engaging in these things that you love, and also support improvement and recovery at the same time. And sometimes it does mean giving some things up. But 1, 2, maybe 3 cups of coffee a day for some people is just fine, and they do well with it. And for some people, even 1 cup of coffee a day is a problem. A lot of times once we go through a workup, we find that people who are very dependent on coffee have issues with their adrenal glands. And the adrenals play in with a whole host of other areas of the body, your thyroid, your immune system, your hormones, your muscle recovery, your heart rate, your blood pressure. So there's a lot of other aspects of health that might not be known when engaging in some of these day-to-day behaviors. And I'm here to be able to make those links and kind of connect the dots for people, so that they can learn and really come to know, okay, here are the things that are contributing to how I'm feeling. And it really gives purpose to being able to make some of the changes that are needed, rather than just, okay, well, I'm not going to drink 12 cups of coffee a day because I don't think it's a good idea. Well, it might not be, but what's the purpose behind that? And specifically, what's the purpose for you as an individual? So I'm very excited to be able to partner with Dr. Ben and Cornerstone Clinics in incorporating functional medicine and holistic medicine, and we are offering 15-minute complimentary consultations. So you can schedule at the front desk, you can call in, and we'll be able to set that up. We'll meet in person either in the office, or we'll meet via video conference as well. And during that time, I'll answer any questions that you have. If you need to learn a little bit more about functional medicine and see if it's for you, and also just to get to know each other a little bit and see if we're a good fit for each other moving forward.